history of PT Bakrie and Brothers Tbk began in 1942 when Ahmad Bakrie, the company's founding father, established a trading company called Bakrie and Brothers as a general merchant and commission agent. In 1972, Abu Rizal Bakrie joined the company his father founded 30 years earlier. The last position he held in the company was a president commissioner of PT Bakrie and Brothers Tbk and chairman of Bakrie Group before he resigned in June 2004. Now more than 60 years since the company was established, Bakrie and Brothers has transformed from a small company that traded only in farm produce into a leading business conglomerate with several subsidiaries in many business sectors. Since 1959, Bakrie and Brothers pioneered the manufacture of steel pipes in Indonesia. In 1969, a steel pipe plant named Talang Tirta was established, which later changed its name to PT Bakrie Pipe Industries and later became the first Indonesian company to be awarded ISO 9002. Major diversification into steel pipe fabrication, metalworking and other infrastructure projects were completed between 1973 to 1985. In 1984, Bakrie Pipe Industries was conferred the prestigious API Spec 5L certificate by American Petroleum Institute, suitable for the oil and gas industry. Established in 1975, PT Bakrie Tosanjaya was the first metal foundry to operate in Indonesia, producing moldable pipes, fittings, castings, general castings, components and spare parts for the automotive sectors. Bakrie Tosanjaya received the ISO 9002 certificate in 1996 and was conferred model company status by the Indonesia Standardization Body and Japan Standardization Association in 1999. In 2002, Bakrie Tosanjaya was awarded QS 9000 certification. Established in 1976 as a joint venture with a renowned Australian building material company, in 1986 Bakrie and Brothers acquired the entire share of this company. In 1991, the company was renamed Bakrie Building Industries from Jaya Harflex Indonesia. Harflex, the company's top-selling product, had received many quality awards such as SNE, ISO 9002 and Standard Australia. This domestic investment company was founded in 1981 in Pondok Ungu, Bekasi. PT Bakrie Corrugated Metal Industry was originally a joint venture between Bakrie and Brothers and Armco Australia, with lines of business including metal forming, zinc galvanizing and steel fabrication. The company started its commercial production in 1982 and has since attained ISO 9002 status. PT Trans Bakrie is an ISO 9002 certified joint venture company, originally between Transfield Australia and Bakrie and Brothers. Among its successful projects completed for Bina Marga, PLN, Caltex, Unocal, Newmont, Krakatau Steel and Bukit Asam. In mining and minerals, the company's achievements include several projects in rural locations in Borneo, Sumatra, Celebes and Halmahera, making Trans Bakrie one of the premier contractors in the mining and steel bridging sectors. The history of PT Bakrie Sumatra Plantation can be traced back to a Dutch plantation named NV Hollands Plantage Maatschappij in 1911. In 1986, Bakrie Group acquired the entire share of the company from Uniroyal Sumatra Plantation. Listed in Jakarta Stock Exchange and Surabaya Stock Exchange in 1989, the company's name was changed to PT Bakrie Sumatra Plantation in 1992. In the same year, the company started converting parts of its rubber plantation in Kisaran, North Sumatra into palm oil. Starting 1990, the company expanded its core business into palm oil plantation by establishing PT Bakrie Pasaman Plantation in Pasaman, North Sumatra. In 1996, a palm oil factory with a capacity to produce 30 to 60 tons of fresh fruit punch per hour was built by Bakrie Pasaman Plantation. Also in the same year, PT Kilang Vecolina was established, marking the company's venture into refining crude palm oil. The following year, 1991, the company acquired PT Agrowiana, a palm oil plantation in Jambi. Bakrie Pasaman Plantation and Agrowiana have also developed plasma, owned by local farmers for palm oil plantations through cooperative ventures. PT Braja Mukti Chakra was established in 1986 as a joint venture between PT Bakrie Tosanjaya and PT Kramayuda Berlian Motors, the sole agent and brand owner of Mitsubishi Indonesia. Pioneered manufacture of automotive components to original equipment manufacturer specifications for the automotive industry in Indonesia, Braja Mukti Chakra has received ISO 9001 certificate from the TÜV Church certification body of RW TÜV Systems GmbH in 2000. PT Seamless Pipe Indonesia Jaya was established in 1990 and in 1994 commenced production of seamless steel pipes, tubings, and casings. Seamless Pipe Indonesia Jaya is strategically located at Krakatau Industrial Estate in Cilegon, the heart of steel center in Indonesia. Seamless Pipe Indonesia Jaya has formed a strategic alliance with Tenaris Group and has been certified with API 5CT, API 5L, and ISO for its technology and standard of quality. Southeast Asia Pipe Industries is the third Bakrie & Brothers owned steel pipe mills. Established in 1996, the API and ISO certificated company started its commercial production in 1999. As one can see from its name, the company aims to serve major clients in the ASEAN region. In 2001, Southeast Asia Pipe Industries signed a management cooperation agreement with Tenaris, one of the world's leading pipe producers. Originally named PT Radio Telepon Indonesia or Ratelindo, the company provided Indonesia with its first fixed wireless telecommunication and was awarded ISO 9001 certification. In 2003, the company's name was changed to PT Bakrie Telecom. Telecommunication operations in Uzbekistan and acquisition of Australia's Link Telecommunication were all part of the company's diversification in 1995. Asia, Bakrie Telecom's leading product, which uses the CDMA 2001X technology, was launched in the end of 2003, putting Bakrie Telecom on the map as one of the fastest growing telecommunication operators in Indonesia. In 2001, Bakrie & Brothers successfully restructured its debt of $1.089 billion involving divestment of PT Bakrie Kasai Corporation, PT Bakrie Sumatra Plantation, PT Arutmin Indonesia, and PT Bakrie Electronics.
PT Bakrie Brothers was badly hit by the 1997 crisis, but we have been able to overcome our problems by not only surviving but transform into a better and more transparent company.
Bakrie & Brothers has passed through very difficult times for the last 6 years. But I can say that the worst is behind us.
The group has successfully restructured its debt and businesses and is geared to generate profit from a series of corporate and management actions which is designed to optimize business strength and to restore financial health.
This is reflected in its varied shareholding and election of independent commissioners and directors.
A year later in 2002, under a new revitalized management team, a corporate blueprint was conceived and developed to determine the company's future growth and direction to strengthen company fundamentals and enhance company value in the years ahead. Since 2003, the corporate blueprint is being implemented with investments in the telecommunications sector through Bakrie Telecom's Asia launch and with addition of a new foundry in Bakrie Tosanjaya in the automotive component industry. In 2004, Bakrie & Brothers further invested in the building industry sector through Bakrie Building Industries. In addition, PT Bakrie & Brothers successfully acquired the majority shares in PT Bakrie Sumatra Plantation, making this one of Bakrie & Brothers' leading performers.
Our business portfolios realigned. Investment and acquisitions in the telecommunications and plantation sectors and expanded capital base will enable us become a major infrastructure player for the potential business in the future.
The company is ready for major growth expected in Indonesia.
To become a billion-dollar corporation in the near term and provide real value to our shareholders.
We believe that we'll be able to deliver the returns that our stakeholders have the right to expect.
The year 2005 and the years that follow indicate a very promising future for Bakrie & Brothers. The company's goal for future growth is focused in telecommunications, agribusiness, and all aspects of infrastructure support to enhance company value and maximize benefit to the shareholders.
As Director and Corporate Secretary of the company, I shall endeavor to uphold Bakrie with honor, proper values, and good corporate governance.
And I feel proud to be part of Bakrie Brothers Group.